Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yo, how's it going, guys? My name is Riyadu Solihin. You guys can call me Riyadi. I am the 7th semester of Uniska Kadiri East Java. So here I would like to present about my proposal because it is my final task from my university which must be done. So the title of my proposal is Perspective Towards Using Video to Learn Connected Speech in Pronunciation. So in this proposal, we have 4 points that we're gonna talk about. The first is research background, and the second is research question. The third is related literature, and the fourth is research design, data collection method, research instrument, and data analysis. Let's talk about research background, or sometimes we call it research context. The basic reason why I decided to do this researching is to invite and recognize the people about the best way to improve our connected speech in pronunciation so that we could have more natural English on spoken English. Because we know that sitting down and being formal or tidy in the class might be boring for the students. So here, the researcher wants to invite the viewers to learn English exactly about connected speech in pronunciation towards video in TikTok. Because everybody knows that now TikTok is the biggest platform that is used by all people from all over the world to do advertisement, spreading the creative contents, educate people, and many more. So let's talk about the research question. The question is pretty simple. It's just whether learning connected speech can improve pronunciation of the viewers. So it's basically just training or observes the improvement of the viewers from the video that the researcher posted on TikTok and then see how it works. Then what is the research design? The research design refers the overall strategy that is chosen for integrating the different components of the study in coherent and logical way. A research design will typically include how data is collected, what instruments are employed, and how the instruments are used. So what about the data collection method? The data are collected from Google Form questions, questionnaire, observation, and documentation. And then there are 3 of research instrument which is used. The first is the video that the researcher posted on TikTok, and the second is duet of the video. So the viewers are duetting the video of researcher, so the researcher actually can see the improvement of the viewers when they do practicing in that video. And then the third is Google Form. So the researcher is gonna give the question from Google Form, which the viewers have to answer this question to make sure that the video that researcher posted is useful or not. Then the last part is data analysis. There are 3 kinds of data analysis. The first is data reduction. The researcher doing the data selection and then focus on the problems which want to analyze or make the category to make the correct interpretation. The second one is data display. Data display is data is made in the form of text to the conclusion after the writer collect the data. The reader begin to observe in media that has been chosen by writer. And then the last is data conclusion is done based on the data analysis through data reduction and displays. The conclusion is the answer form the research problem when the readers observes certainly there is less and plus of data based on the object that happening in the location. So that's all about my presentation about my proposal. So I'm so sorry if I have a lot of mistakes, and thank you guys for watching, and thank you for Mom Ulan for giving this task, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.